everyone should be comfortable putting their face in the water. It is just water. Show your child how to do it.
Okay, so let's take the ring. We're gonna put our whole face down and open our eyes for 2 seconds. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. 1, 2. Good job, good job. Now let's take the purple ring. You do it. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, you got to 7. Okay, get the blue on one more time. This time when I film, I'm gonna film underwater so I can see if you're opening your eyes. You ready? 1, 2, 3, ready, go.
Practice, practice, practice. Every time you are in the bath or pool.
I saw you waving to me. Very nice job. You're waving to all your friends?
This video is part of the DIY Teach Your Child How to Swim curriculum. Keep watching for more information on how to teach your child or visit swimkim.com.